Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have a job for Sportskeeda and it's for social media host. Sportskeeda for the hardcore sports fan. Fans don't just follow the sport, they feel it. The pain, the passion, the guts, and the glory. When we look at sports fan, we don't see the crowd, we see you. We're one of you, and we strive to keep you on top of every trend by creating engaging, insightful content at lightning fast speed. So Sportskeeda is a global sports content platform that covers the world's biggest sports and esports trends to serve over 100 million fans every month. Our passionate team comprises of top content creators from around the world, churning out thousands of well-researched content pieces daily. With every challenge comes an opportunity, and we have a world full of them. So here are some of the key responsibilities as a social media host for Sportskeeda. You create snackable and shareable reels and other such short-form video content which can go viral on Sportskeeda social media platforms. Coordination with the short videos teams in putting out regular content, plan content for each day, self-direct the show, well updated with social media trends, good understanding of football/soccer, must have a good understanding of the social media platforms and their algorithms, must be able to do basic in-app edits. Requirements: you have to be a proficient English speaker, excellent knowledge of football/soccer, excellent command of the English language, ability to speak freely in front of the camera, excellent time management skills and ability to work independently, must be able to make 4 to 5 short videos per day, ability to create on-pitch videos, is a current player, pro/amateur. Additional information will be this role is based on a contractual basis. We'll be working closely with the shorts team. It's 8-hour shifts. It is remote. And you can speak also with the employer. They provide the number right there. Right here, it doesn't provide how much you will actually make. You can negotiate that. But I did some research, and based on my research, the low point will be $42,768 per year. And on the average rate will be $59,492. But again, it's all negotiable based on your experience and everything. So if you feel like you're the perfect fit for this particular role, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not the position for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you can find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.